Hi, I'm Tash from Heart and Design. Thanks for coming along and learning to draw with me. I hope your journey in art is fun and therapeutic for you. Remember, there's no right or wrong in art. I'm just giving you the tools to get started. So, this is our how to draw a sunshine sheet. You will need a pencil, any will do. I like an HB, an eraser, this is a rubber one, and this is a kneadable one, which you can change shape to get into different spaces. Make sure you've sharpened your pencil. I'm going to give mine a quick sharpen. I have an electric one, which I can recommend if you have any hand or wrist problems. So let's just get started, shall we? Please follow, like, subscribe, comment, all those YouTubey things. Thank you. So step one is to trace the first page. Okay, it's just a circle with some curves, and then the little eyelashes are little lines coming from the eyes. Okay. So then we're going to go on and, well, I think first of all I'll just show you what I've drawn. It's basically a circle, a curve, a big curve, and then the little curves have lines coming off them like that to show the eyelashes. I hope you can see that. Then in step two, your tracing is the triangles on the outside. Okay, so you're going all the way, and I suggest doing that. Go all the way over. By the way, this is a level 2 sheet. A level 1 sheet tends to be very simple line artwork. Then we start going into a bit more detail of that lined artwork in 2. So this is a 2. Right, we now go inside those triangles and draw those triangles. And remember, these sheets, these are learning sheets, but that doesn't mean they're for children only, yeah? For anyone who's beginning at any stage of your life. I did not throw myself into the world of art until my 40s. So, yeah, you can start anytime. So basically, those triangles are just a triangle with another triangle in like that. Now, we're going to move on to the outside circles, okay? So there's quite a lot to trace on this. We've got 1, you go slower than me, 2, and then this one, 3, is bubbles all the way around the edge. Okay, so basically it's just, don't be too fussy about the circle either. We're not doing perfect circles. The whole point of this is that it's not. It's that I think is the beauty of it. It's not perfect. I'm going to have that circle there. Then there'll be another one around the edge. We can draw the lines in. Like that, so go all the way around, and then on this outside edge it's just going all the way around, drawing little arches. Again, they don't have to be perfect. If you look here, some are bigger, some are longer, some are higher. It's okay. Our eyes will translate that into same, they're all the same. Okay, so now I'm just going to put that line there. You won't have had any of these here because that's what I did. I did that to show you what the tracing's like because you can't see. You don't need that. So you should have all of this space. Now I recommend you just drawing your first circle, okay, about this size, which is probably about a 10p size, probably a bit bigger than a 10p. Right, then we're going to do the eyes. Now if you're pressing lightly, you are giving yourself a good chance of making sure you can rub it out without seeing it still on the paper. If you're pressing hard, you will find that difficult. So I suggest press as lightly as you can. You can always go over it again when you've done it, pressing harder or with a black liner pen or something like that, or a coloured liner pen, whatever you like really. Okay, so then we're going to come from the sun. We're going to create our triangles all the way round the edge. This is a really fun little drawing. Okay, and what I like about this is that these are really good things to do. All of these sheets are generally, well, until you get up to 4 and then advanced, they're just nice, easy little things to keep you creative, to keep that mind busy. It's about not looking at the telly so much and thinking, what else can I do for a change? Here we go. I think sometimes the TV can get a bit much, the screens can get a bit much. Our bodies are meant for doing things, so it's really important to express that, and when we don't express that, that's when we all become a little bit poorly. Okay, So inside triangles done. Love it. So much fun. Okay, so then I'm going to come round and we are going to do another circle. Remember I've said before, you don't need to get a perfect circle, just do one that you like, and then we are going to go round, and I suggest you move your paper because you want to keep it the same kind of thickness all the way around, and so you will need to use the paper and move it around to get the paper to help you. Okay, so we've done that. The next is just to do all the lines inside like I've already shown you, and then we can do the last outside edge. So I'm doing it quickly just so that we can move on and get this done for you and you can have a go yourself. So we're going all the way around, bump, bump, bump. I'm going as quick as I can. Don't want to take it too slow. Remember, do it lightly. If you make a mistake, if you really don't like it, you can go back and do it again. I hope you like that. All of my sheets are my own designs, so you won't get them anywhere else. No mass produced here, it's just me. So I hope you enjoyed that. We have the next few parts of the video will be time stamped for colouring. It will be whatever mediums that I can, and hopefully there's something there for you. Coloured pencils, there's going to be marker pens, possibly watercolours, acrylic and pastels. So choose which one you want to do, and yeah, I hope you enjoy that. I'll be adding new sheets all the time, so please subscribe to the £5 a month if you can, and you will have access to absolutely everything I put on the website for you.